It is time. It's go time, boys. Damn. Walk in. We're back for round 2. What is cooking? G'day, g'day. Yeah, we doing, Judge. Christopher, thank you, thank you. It's good to be back, mate. It's good to be back. Alrighty. Time to cook. So, in the last part of this stream of the day, I basically got a little scuffed fucking menu shit going. So, I think we're gonna continue on that, mate. Then call it there. Say GG, game done. It would be nice to make this look good. It would also be nice to just keep making the game, because it's like, it's not fucking important. I don't give a fuck about main menus, bro. I just want to make the game. Make the main menu look pretty later when we've got 17 million hours of playtime. How about that? So I think all I really want to do next is just get the settings in so we can have a volume slider. And then that's really it, I think. Splash. Excuse me. Splash startup. Maybe. It's not really important. I'm gonna fucking put you down here. Get down there, mate. Actually, yeah, it is kind of important. Because we could get sued. Alright, but the plan for the rest of the day today and for tomorrow, we're on day 13 right now, right? Day 13 part 2 is basically gonna have an itch demo up. I think that's ultimately what we're gonna do, because it's gonna be like instant. It's gonna be an artifact that will just stay there forever, that I'll look back on in like a decade and be like, wow, that was a nice demo, you know. So I think I'm gonna put it up on itch, and then yeah, basically gonna keep working on the game and get it out on Steam and stuff, and then continually update the Steam demo and make the full game. But we're gonna have like a proof of concept, like v0.1 up on itch to cook with, and do a little bit of playtesting and have some fun and complete the whole 14-day kind of cycle that I set out to do 13 days ago now. So yeah, by the end of tomorrow, gonna have the itch page up, and we're actually not gonna be able to do a wishlist call to action, which kind of sucks. Because the Steam page will take like at least a few days to get done. So I think I'll just do some playtesting. We'll put it up on itch, and it'll be like, shh, it's a secret. So I'm gonna swap in Discord CTA instead of wishlist. That'll be the next best thing, I think. So yeah, that's the plan, I guess. Let's get some settings going. Hit me with that volume slider. Yeah, mate. All right, cook time. Locked in, ready to go. I want to stop this from spawning nearby, so we don't accidentally get shit on top. Such a hungry little boy. All right. So, what is the play here? Well, we just need to go into a new UX menu. Really? That's kind of it. Yeah, that's kind of the gist of things, right? So let's do that real quick. UX settings. I'm gonna say settings in-game, because there's gonna be a difference between settings in-game and settings menu. So, oops, my hotkeys aren't on. I gotta fucking reopen up all my. Wait, why is my hotkey not working? Oh, it is. Oh, that's weird. Okay. Time to open up all of my applications, so they be chilling. Okay. Chatbot is on. Yeah, I think we're ready to cook, boys. Ready to cook. All right. So, let's do a cheeky little settings in game. That's what I'm after. So we're going to really just kind of do this again, except do settings menu UI. And I'm basically just gonna copy this, honestly. As for the layer, do one of those. Should be right, mate. In fact, probably don't want to put this in a case because you'd want to fade between the two. But for now, you know, we can just put it in a case and call it a day. Like, really, I want all of these to be going all the time. And you want to just, like, alpha fade in and out between them. But, you know, this will do the trick. And we'll be alright. Escape. I don't know, like... Escape to go back. Okay, so... I'm gonna just get rid of all these buttons. In fact, you know, we could probably just say back. I'm just gonna call this settings, actually. That'll work. Um, yeah. Gotta make the settings actually go into the settings now. Done. Dunskies. All right. Yeah, so I literally just need a volume slider, and then, you know, I can call it there. So I'm going to turn this into a volume slider. I think I'll make a little widget for it. May as well. Volume, or just call it slider. Int slider? Maybe. So, in order to do this, I think we'll do... Volume will just be like, yeah, like a percent. So... I think to begin with, instead of trying to make it a widget, I'm just gonna like type it out here. Just to kick things off. Volume slider. Okay. Okay, so that's the rect. Just gonna do one of these. Yes. Whoops. Okay. So, I want to do like a cheeky little draw rect actually. In fact, you know what? I am gonna put this into a fucking widget over here, just to kind of try and clean things up a bit. So it's a bit easy to work with. So in terms of API, slider int, slider int, volume. So we're gonna pass in that. The min being 0, the max being 100, and the label being volume. I think that's all that's really needed. Oh, we also have to pass in the rect. Just like that. Okay. Yeah. Rect. Value. Point out to an int. Min max, and then label. I don't think I need a click. Don't know what I need. But I shall figure it out. Okay. So that's the rect that we're drawing. So let's see how that goes. Okay, awesome. And then draw some text on that bad boy. And then all that's really needed now is just like a second rect, which we could draw here. Which would really just be like a fill color. But the rect will be %. Okay. So I need to put a fill color in here. Element color, yeah, element color's not gonna cut it. We need to do a fill color for the element. And that should be alright. So for the fill color, we'll do something like grab A-Sprite real quick. Man, every time I open A-Sprite now, I get really excited because like that's kind of where I go to do game design and like prototype out content with my brush. It's very cool. What was I doing here though? I think I just wanted to get some colors. I'm gonna take this guy. That'll be a nice color. Maybe darker blue, actually. Something like that. The quicker we get through this UI, the quicker I can get back to making the game and having fun doing some content. So, to be fair, I am actually enjoying myself doing UI, though. It's not that bad. Fill color. Alright. So at the end of the day, it's all just stuff that makes the game. And I am all for that. So yeah, that's the slider. So now we just got to figure out how we can move it around. So I would say that yeah, I kind of need some frame-to-frame state for these UI elements. If I want to do this properly, because what we'd want to do is have a click. And now we're, you know, quick to hold dragging. And, you know, no matter where we move, really, we're just going to drag it up and down. But for now, to make it scuffed, I think we'll just check for the is down. Is key down. Down. True. And yeah, that's really it. So if down, you want to calculate like the relative position on the hover. So hover dot x. We've also got the rect here that we'll use to grab the percent. So hover.x, we really want to percent equal float alpha, which should be, yep, the input, which is that, the min, which is x0, the max, which is x0 plus size.x. That should give us a percent. Sorry. Hover pause. Say mouse pause. Yeah, there we go. So there is our volume slider. Really, we'd want to clamp it. Yeah, so it's going to be a bit scuffed, but it should do the trick. I think... Yeah, we're going to need some UI state for this if we want to do it properly. But it should be fine. Just as kind of like a scuff thing for now. So yeah, now the percent, we're basically gonna go well, really the percent is gonna be equal to yeah, so float alpha, the current, which is this guy, the min, and the max. That'll give us an actual. An actual value. So yeah, now if down, I think we can just look at the value and go something like this. Motherfucker. Something like that, maybe. What do we got? Yeah, I think that'll work. So now we just gotta store that volume state somewhere. So, yep, that's gotta be actually somewhere. Where should we put the volume? We probably want it in app state, except not in app state. We want it in app save state. Say like settings, like save state, maybe. App save state. Volume. So using save state, I think that should do the trick. Yes. So then load app save state. Save app save state. Okay, so literally just gonna do the same serialization. Save GS to disk. Same as this, just settings. Should it be called settings or preferences? Settings, I would say settings. So yeah, I'm just gonna do one of these. Oops. Data length, size of settings, data, app, state dot settings. So write this entire thing to file, and we will be Gucci. Now we want to do the read. Same old dealio. Read entire file. It'd probably be better to like serialize these to text format, but she'll be right, Matt. Okay, so mem copied the data into app state settings, size of settings, and return true. That will be the loading and saving of settings. Very simple, very direct, very nice. I want to do this before probably everything, I would say. may as well. If not load settings, then default settings. Using app state dot settings volume equal 100. Yeah, so if not load settings, then we do that, and afterwards we just save settings. And on the frame, I just want to make sure that when we close the game, well, actually, sorry, it's in cleanup, right? We just save the settings as well. I think when we even like exit the settings in the UX, we should probably save them as well. So I probably want a like a state exit event, maybe. Yeah, UX state exit. So I think it would be if app state.ux mode is not equal to the last UX mode, switch on the last UX mode. Case settings in game save. So that should save when we exit the settings now. No matter what, I think. Yeah. Alright, well, let's put that to the test. Let's look at the settings and go to the old slider, plug in the actual app state volume, and see if this works. So we're at 100%. We can slide it down to whatever. Alright, that feels pretty good. I mean, kind of scuffed because you got to be extra careful. If you want to get it up to 100, you can't just do that. But you know, that'll do me. So the actual test of things is if we like hard fucking yeet this, we should still have the settings. Yeah. So that's saved. That's nice. Loggy. Settings saved. Alright, yeah, so that's our settings file. 10 seconds. Easy. Well, yeah, I mean that's the whole volume slider. We just got to actually make it drive volume now. So in order to do that, update sound. I think we'll just pass in a volume here every frame. No, we could just do it directly in here. Yeah, that's what this guy does. Maybe. Actually, I think I pass in a master volume from the outside. Yeah. Channel group set volume, yeah, it's an F32. So we're gonna grab the old master channel group, which we've already got. I don't know where we're knitting that, but I guess we'll find out. Undeclared. F call. Okay, cool. So app state dot volume, but car system F32. So yeah, that'll do it. Except we're gonna crash because we don't actually have the master channel group. So let me boot up Demon Knives real quick and look at the sound. Master CH group. Grab the master channel on sound and net. Okay, that sounds good to me. Right, there was some extra stuff in here. Wood bank files. Yeah, delete you. Alright, so system, get master channel group, using core system, and a reference to that. We actually don't have the core system, so we also need to get that. System, get core system. F core? Yep. Okay. Jesus fucking... What, cunt? Squeeze me? Oh, we're 100% setting it to like 10x right now. Wow. That sucks. I forgot to divide by 100. We're setting it to 100. The volume is being set to 100. How is that not like... Ah. Okay, that is getting blasted. What the fuck? Oh god. That's bad. How does F1 even let you do that? That sucks. That is horrible. Bowl. Vol equal clamp vol 0 1. Jesus. All right, let's try that again. All right, much better, bro. Yeah, that's nuts. It'll just like bypass everything and go straight to 0, or like whatever the max is. Yeah, okay, so I'm glad I have my hardware audio turned down now, because otherwise that would have extra raped my ears. I don't know how you guys are on stream right now, but I'm hoping I'm hoping that like didn't die. I don't really know exactly how YouTube works, or Twitch or whatever. I guess it depends. But yeah. Please put a reset to default button in the settings. I hate when games don't have one. Clause, I am not going to do that. And you are going to hate it. And that's okay. Can't please everyone. Yeah, bro. Let me, like, put a default reset button real quick. That'll take me, like... I don't even know. It would take, like, 5 minutes. But that's 5 minutes less away from me making the real game. So, I'm gonna say no on that one. Hard no. Alright, app volume divide 100. And then we would get real values. That would be great. Cool. Much better. Yummy. Yeah, so volume. We have a volume slider. That's good. I like it. Why is that? Okay, I see. Yeah, that's a little fucked up. We don't we don't actually want to do that. So that's my bad. So I guess we only want to do if gs dot allocated. If not allocated, then yeah, much better. Alrighty, epic. I need to make the escape work on this. That would be amazing. How do I make the escape work? Yeah, I don't really know. I'll just add it to the else if, why not? Equal, what is settings in game. Then we're just gonna back this out to the pause game. Beautiful. Lovely. All right. So the next thing to do is change the wish list to Discord, and then open web linky. I don't know how I'm going to do that in Odin, but we'll figure it out. Now would be a good time to make a Discord for the game. So I'm going to do that real quick while you guys stare at my face. Do 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 do. I'm gonna call it Game 9. That's what I'm gonna call it. There we go. Look at this beautiful server. Magnificent. Fucking get rid of those dumbass categories, bro. Welcome, Matt. Alright. Invite that bad boy, and we are going to, we're gonna cook. Bang. Alright. Well, that should be the Discord. That'll do it. That link right there. Hidden use copy button. Get fucked, cunt. Come on, bro. I used the copy button. Discord furries at it again. Alright. We're cooking. Discord link is there. Yeah. That will do it. How would one go about opening... How to open link from Odin. Come on, bro. Come on. Odin programming language. How do I open a link in web? Really, I just make a sub process. That's actually what I'm after. I'm not even gonna fucking... Actually, this is probably right, to be honest. The Odin project? This ain't it, Chief. Wait, what? Yeah, it's all just like fucking HTML and shit. Come on, bro. Alright, we're not gonna ask ChatGPT, but all we need to do is just execute a command in a sub process. So process.odin can I like spin up a sub process real quick? Process open. Process start. Process exec. What does the process description look like? Command. Okay, yeah, this'll do me. This'll do. Process start. Procedure creates a new process within command environment, strings and parameters, and waits until the process finishes execution. Yeah, this is actually what I'm after.
Creates a new process with given command and the environment strings as parameters. Use environ to inherit the environment of the current process. Capture std out and std error. Given command environment strings as parameters, wait till the process finishes execution. When process is running, accumulates output std out. I don't really know which one to call. I would say maybe process start. I don't know. Both might do something. Who knows? But regardless, I'm gonna need a description. So description dot command. This dot working directory doesn't actually matter, I don't think. But the command we can just do equal to Ligma. Squeeze me. What is this in? OS2? Is that even a thing? Like what? Like where? Or core maybe? No. Core OS. What is OS2? I'm not even gonna fucking search with ChatGPT now. It's just too makes me want to die. Actually, you know what? Maybe we can. Odin programming language. Core OS. What are you doing? OS start. I mean, like, I don't understand why that isn't legit. What the fuck is Core OS 2? Do I have to import that as well? OS 2? What the fuck is this, dude? Hello? Bruh. I'm so ready to go back to Jai. OS 2. It's like, come on, OS 2. It's so fucking bad at searching. OS. Bro, where is it? How is it not in call? Hello? It's right here. Where is OS 2 at? I don't even know, dude. I don't know. I don't care. Things work, so I'm gonna move on with my life. Using OS 2. God. Okay. So, it'll really be like a assigned value link of type proc string slice literal. I don't know. But anyway. What's the command for running something? Command for opening a link on Windows. Like start? Yeah. Okay. Start link. Cut of type proc string. Arrow to string. Huh? Huh? Hello? Unsigned value link of type proc string string. What do you mean? Is this like a keyword or some shit? Oh, it is. Bro. Interesting. Okay, website. Okay. Well, moment of truth. Is this gonna work? Open web linky. Jack shit. Okay, well, it's worth a shot. Not exist. Okay. A process example would be good, I think. Process exec maybe, because it'll do some more stuff. So maybe that's something to do with it. State, std out, arrow, arrow. These variables are fucked. Okay, fine, I'm not gonna be using. Allocator is missing. All right, take two. Not exist. Huh. El Cringer. Do 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 do. We need to tell what to open the link in. No, because usually you can just go start and then paste Can't find test. Yeah, I mean, like if you put in like a HTTPS, and it'll just do that. It'll like try and find whatever web browser. Yeah. Anybody got any ideas for what to do here? I'm a little bit stumped, but I guess I'm about to go dumpster diving into some examples. So let's boot open the ref. Wait for this to scan gigabytes of files. Odin. I mean, there's like not a single reference. That's kind of weird. That's a little sus to me. What about Bruce start? Got anything? Oh. Nope. Don't know what that is. No. Yeah. This is bad. Alright, I'm doing the Jaiport the second this demo is out. Honestly, dude. Fucking hell. I guess I could step through to see what's actually happening. It's probably a good idea. But I mean, process exec is just doing more stuff. It's just getting like STD stuff. STD out and stuff. Creating some epicness. I guess it's still like a process wait. Process start. Or return keyword. Interesting. Yeah, I mean, I guess I'm just gonna step through it to see what's going on. For just all the way at the bottom here. All right, let's get to it. Down we go. Alright, so far, what do we got for the description? Working directory is fine. Command. I would like to see the second thing in here. Put the watch over here. Is there a way I can easily view this array with the old rad debugger? Yeah, there we go. Yeah, I mean that seems fine. Okay, let's start this bad boy. Yeah, that's the command. The environment is 0 though. Well, I guess it's getting a default environment, so that's fine. Working directory 0. Create process W. Is this a standard thing in Win32? If it's 0, then we should be fine and just use the parent. I don't know. But basically this will determine whether or not we've created it or not. So I guess we'll just step over that. OK is 0. If not OK, error. Not exist. Okay. Alright, what actually is this error though? Like, I don't... Tag 1. Like what? What the fuck kind of structure is this, bro? Alright, well, the good news is we're getting an error, and it's saying not exist. So I think maybe it might be a working directory thing, because maybe maybe this is not actually true. Get working directory os2.get working directory get wd. I don't like how you can't just like discard things easily. Allocator is missing. Temp. Okay. Still just doing its thing. Interesting. Alright, create process W. Why would this be shitting the bed, I wonder? Command line W. Command line start this. Like, that should be a valid command. Like, just maybe the environment or whatever is not set up properly. I don't know. Does another command work? Can you echo? Yeah, I can try that. Give me docs on. do. Just get us error to tree more details. Okay. That's what it's doing. Get platform arrow. Where was I just? God damn it. Error is 2. Not exist. Okay, well, I guess we'll do that thing of trying to do a echo. Not exist. It's probably just something to do with the I don't even know. I don't know, dude. God, this is fucking pissing me off. Uses the first token in LP command line to locate the executable. I'm just pausing start as the command. Won't work because start is a shell command, not an executable file. Expects a direct executable or shifting and execute on a shell command. Oh. Invoke the command.exe. Okay. Maybe. How did Jai do it? Run command args create process. Args never quote arg string create process w arg string join args. Okay. I mean, this doesn't look like it's doing anything special. Like, you can just tell that this has been used like way more. It's like, what is this? Kill process if parent exists. First argument to create process W is null because that is what causes it to search the path environment variable to find the thing to run. Do not use create no window. If you do, always just to make the process not inherit console. Okay. I mean, we're doing the same thing, right? Create process W. No? Or probably would be. I'm just not in the old process start in the Windows. Create process W, yeah. Yeah, I don't understand why that's the case. But anyway, let me zoom out a little bit here and see if I use this anywhere. Well, I remember doing it in Arcane. Run command without breaking on Proton. I'm calling Explorer in here. System. Oh. Shell execute. Yeah, so I'm not even using this. Okay. I guess I could use system and the MSVC. RT. Could also do this. Why is it this difficult to fucking try and do this shit, bro? Use command and start, easy way, yeah. Did you get the thumbnail for the stream? I auto-generated it. Sorry, I generated it with a little AI slave. But yeah, use the command and start. I guess that's kind of the way. I don't really know how I would. Yeah. I mean, this is already tested on Proton, so I wonder if I can just do a little cheeky link real quick. Bro, what is this link?
You could not live with your own failure. Where did that bring you? Back to me.
That's the CLT. Oh god. That's fucking hilarious. Alright. Yeah, I mean, well, I guess can I pull up real quick? Can I pull up to the C runtime library, bro? The MSVC RT. I don't even know how to link to that. Can I just call system? Oh yeah, look at that. Oh no, that's what I just fucking typed in. Okay. Is there a MSVCRT chilling anywhere? In Raylib? Okay. I don't know how to do this. I don't know. Well, I could just try and find where the old command is. Fuck. How do I just like execute a shell? Is there any shell? Any shell boys chilling here? Shell execute W, that'll work as well. Should we pull up? That'll be me, yeah. I'm gonna do it. I'll fucking do it. Actually, alright, so how do I get this guy? Call sys Windows. Maybe. Okay, we're cooking. So, how do I do this? I had an example here. Null, open, okay. I'm gonna just yoink. Shell execute A. Is there a, one of those in there? Instead of a wide? Nope, we're gonna have to copy the L and make this a W. That's alright. I think there's an example of like a wide somewhere. I remember it. It was in process. Windows. UTF-8 to W string. Alright. What are this? LP operation. LP file. Do 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 do. Simply cannot support generative AI. Alright. Have fun then, bro. Alright. Fucking Funky Town still stuck in my head. God damn it. Open. Explore. Okay, that might work. Maybe. Website. Show command int. Show normal. SW show normal. I don't even know what that is, bro. I guess it's in Windows as well. Alright. Too many arguments. Expected 6 arguments, got 8. Alright, well I guess I was copying from the wrong one. Let me back it up to the... God, I fucking hate Win32. Holy shit. Makes me want to die. Alright, hwin, LP operation, LP file, parameters. Okay, 1, 2, 2, and then nil nil, show null. I just did that, didn't I? Where's this guy? File windows. I don't even know, dude. looking forward to switch back to Jai. Where the fuck are you? Package OS. It literally says it's in OS 2. What are you talking about? It's not exported, maybe? Yeah, probably. Yeah, it's private. What are we actually doing then? Went through to UTF to UTF 16. I don't care. I just want to get like a wide. UTF-8 to wide string. There we go. That'll do me. That's in what exactly? Also in sys windows. Okay. All right, now we're cooking. Moment of truth. Will it? Yes! Oh my god. Oh my god. Fucking tremendous, dude. Bro. That was a hoot and a half, that was. What the fuck are you guys doing? Joining by typing in the URL. Fucking giga chads, dude. All right, finally. I'm pretty sure this will break. Maybe on. We have to do the mandatory. Copying this in. But it's Win32 this time. Alright. Well, that was fun. I will not excuse myself. Okay, well that was a nice half an hour fucking detour. Jesus. Ugh. Well, at least we got it now. That'll do me. I actually do want a resume button, I think. Now that I think about it a little bit extra hard, I do want to resume. We'll say paused, but we're not actually going to be paused. I'm going to throw down one of these guys. I'm gonna say resume. Thank you. Bonk. Gotta increase the size a little bit on this bad boy now. I can move that up, mate. Yes, sir. Kind of too many buttons, but that's all right. Discord is working. Beautiful. I kind of want resume to be up the top, actually. That is a me thing? I don't know. It's kind of just what I expect. Cool. Oh, yeah. For what? Ah. Yeah, my little algo. Okay. My little unstuck algo. Beautiful. Alright. Well, now that that is out of the way, I think we move on. I think I want to put welcome to gameplay. I think I'm literally gonna leave it like this. And I'm also gonna leave the window as epic hot sauce. Play. Yeah, so what do I want to do? I would like to put a Discord button below, honestly. Welcome to GIM. I want to abstract this into a button now. Play. Epic. Could even do a text pivot center pivot center left. Then pass that along down into the draw text. Maybe. We'd actually want to switch on this. Case center. Case center left. Y0, X0 would just be like plus 10 or something, I don't know. Yeah, there we go. That'll do me. Okay. So I think underneath I just want to do Discord. So Y0. Okay, so this button will be join Discord. And we're going to shoot off the Discord join. Whoops. Gotta get used to not working in multiple files. Discord. Discord join. There are simply two actions. Play or join Discord. That is it. There is no alternative. No quit. No, we should put a quit button in. Let's see here. Exit. How does one exit? F4. Nope. Exit. SAP. Quit. Probably like call SAP quit or something. Yeah, SAP quit. Yep. Quit, exit. There we are. Perfect. Beautiful. All right, yeah. Well, that's kind of the basics of the main menu, I guess. We could also put the settings in here, but I honestly can't be fucked. So we'll kind of just leave it at that. I think probably want some kind of like playtesting, onboarding thing. But I think I'll just do it manually via DMs for now. It's kind of like my first step. Ugh. All right, well, I think we can officially move back on to gameplay now, because that's all the housekeeping done. Hopefully. It looks kind of shit, but she'll be right. She'll be right, mate. I'm gonna push that up. Where's Mr. GitHub Desktop? Up you go, good sir. I'm gonna ignore the settings. All the sounds. Up you go, buddy. That unsaved should be ignored. Kind of rough. Oh. Settings, volume slider, Discord CDA. It's not pretty, but it's a main menu. Yeah, so next thing I need to do is just the splash startup. So I'm just gonna do that real quick. So let me grab the F-mod logo from the old Demon Knives. These are literally all the assets in the game. Really not much. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna copy over the old logos. You guys like my studio name? Bonk. Throw that in there. So we got bold logo and F-mod logo. Alright. Splash logo, splash F-mod. Yep. So, just gonna do that real quick, I guess. Alpha. UX alpha maybe? Yeah, that'll be fine. UX substate. Fade in, hold, fade out. Okay. So, duplicate case. Oh, okay, my bad. All right, get in there, and then the housekeeping will, the house cleaning, housekeeping, yeah, housekeeping. The housekeeping will officially be done after this. Momentarily, then we can move back on to gameplay. What's the time? 7 o'clock, 7 p.m. Yeah, I'll probably go for another hour or so before heading off to bed. Yeah. Basically just do all the cleanup I can, so that way tomorrow morning I can wake up and just work on gameplay for the whole day. I'm gonna try and wake up at like 6 a.m. or 5 a.m. and just like fucking grind for a full 12 hours. That's what I want to do. That's the challenge for tomorrow. It's basically grind for 12 hours straight on doing a day-night in combat. I think that would be sick. Just squeeze it in right at the end. Because, you know, it's officially ready to go right after this splash screen is up. I also need to do a self-play test. So, custom cursor, that's gone below. Fuck you. Screen shake, final destroy, gone below. Polish, sound effects of pickup, yeah, it's also gone below. Version stuff, we need that. Epic music, that's gone below. This is the actual waterline. That 100% needs to be done before ship. So the other thing that 100% needs to be done is self playtest to balance content. I'll probably do that right after we do the splash screen. Because then I can have a think on that when I sleep. Okay. So yeah, let's get to it real quick. Splash logo. Switch on UX anim state. Case fade in. Case hold. Case fade out. Using app state. I would love to use this. UX alpha. To target 1.0. Get delta time at a rate of 15. If we reach, then anim state equal hold. Hold end time. App now plus 2 seconds. If app now greater than or equal to the hold end time, anim state equal fade out. I need to make that app now. It's actually just seconds since init. Alright, and then last but not least, we do one of these guys on the old fade out. UX alpha fade out to 0. When we reach, I would say we're going to reset the UX state in general. And UX mode equal to the fmod splash. Okay. So, on startup, we should hit splash logo. I would say if nil, then yeah, I don't know. Nice. Init images. All right, we got a little. Ooh, ran out of space for the rect packing. Okay. Yeah, that'll do it, because this is a fat fucking logo. Jesus. What is the dimensions on that? 728 by 192. Yeah. Let's see. Rect pack. STBRP. Yeah, I think we can just fucking crank this. Maybe. Yeah. Cool. Very cool. Very epic. When oh, I don't even know, dude. I want to put this behind a fucking option thing. When not debug, I guess. Or not testing. Can I do an else? Yeah. In game. Okay. Or not testing. So when I hit testing, then that should be fine. I guess we'll find out. This right here is really making me wanna do some I'm GUI stuff and have a console later on there. Alright, what do I want to go? I want to go to the UX because that is where we're going to draw our big fat logo. So, draw sprite, pause, image ID. Okay, so pause is just going to be game res w divided by 2. Game res height divided by 2. Sprite, bold, logo. Pivot, center, center. Not working apparently. I guess because we aren't setting up the camera and stuff properly. Chord space. I think that's all I need to make that work. Beautiful. Yeah, so I think I'll push this by default. Maybe? It might fuck some stuff up though, so I don't know. But anyway, that's that'll do the trick. Next thing is the fmod splash. I also want to do color equal. UX alpha. Cool. We're getting like flashbanged on startup pretty hard because I think it's doing the rect pack and stuff. Okay. Yeah. So, let me make sure I got the beta good enough in here. Alright. So, fmod splash time. Do 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 do. So this will just be fmod logo. Except we're gonna need to scale this down a bunch because that's gonna be massive. Yeah. Easiest way to scale, what do we do? I would say something along the lines of, we could pass in a scale. Actually, we can pass in an F form and scale it down. Good thinking. Hopefully that's got the pivot right. Huh, perfect. Look at that. Done. I want to make this 1.5 seconds. Oh, it's not as long. Should probably also abstract this into something because I'm using this a lot actually. We also want to be able to skip by pressing space. Or by pressing any kind of key, maybe. So... it would be nice to do a skip, but I think we can just force it to not skip for now. 'Cause it's fine. Usually can't skip logos on startups in games anyway. Kind of like shove it down your throat. So I think that's fine. Just want to get rid of the flashbang. Don't really know how to do that. aside from rendering the first frame and then doing the init. But yeah, anyway, I'm just going to push this up as is now. I didn't even push it up earlier. I don't think. Main menu, added splash logos. Okay. Probably make F1 a bit smaller so it actually doesn't look bad. Splash F mod. Make this guy 0.1. Should also probably make bold a bit smaller. But nah, that's fine. I like that. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna make like I'm gonna improve the shit out of the startup experience at some point, but it's like the furthest thing on my mind right now in terms of priorities. So we got it possible. I'd like to take 5 minutes to figure out how to get rid of the flashbang, just for my own sanity, more than anything. So let's peep in a knit. So basically, instead of doing these guys, I'll basically just do it later. Like after the first frame. That would be great. How do I do that? I basically need to make it so that it loads in the background. But we want to init the images straight away. I basically just don't want a flashbang. That's literally it. So it just means we want to get a single clear in nice and quick. Or maybe there's a way we can change the default startup color. I don't know. Should I tell you what? We'll make nil a thing, I reckon, and just make sure that we do nothing, and then the next frame we actually yeah, so this is going to be our startup. That's what I'm thinking. Okay. So we'll just have a blank draw function that goes to the update and render, and it's basically just like a very stripped down version. Actually no, we're already doing this at the end here. Yeah, so we actually don't even need to do anything. Cool. Blank draw. Okay. If app state dot frame. Do I have a frame count? Yeah, app ticks. We'll do it using app state. It's really, these are all just, I'd rather have them as globals anyway. But let's see. So app ticks. If app ticks equal 1, so we let the first one kind of tick out. That's when we do the startup. Okay. So that means in here, if it equals 1, yeah. This is where I'm going to do the init images. So init all of these guys. I think we can get away with a knitting sound. But yeah, I think all of this should do the trick, maybe. I'm not sure. Yeah, because ISID, that won't be a thing. Alright, so I also got to do this after. Okay, what else we got? Entity defaults, that's fine, probably. Vertex buffer, yep, so we want all that. Yeah, so I think that should hopefully what is happening there? I think it's because, I mean, app state should be fine. I think it's really because we're trying to do the old setting of images down here, but these guys are nil. That kind of sucks ass. Can we pipe everything to blank textures? No, it's kind of annoying. What's the actual error? Binding is missing. Handle is invalid. Can we actually just let that rip? Maybe. Nope. SAP. Sorry, FX. Yep. Bind. Yeah, I don't really know. Is there images? Where's the binding layout? Okay. Alright. Images, image, GFX, yes. ID. Yeah, it'd be great if we could pass something empty, but I don't know, it's kind of like too hard to wrap the old head around. So it might be a good idea to do like a missing texture thing. So just like create one really quickly on a net. And just like set that. Missing text. Yeah, let's try for that real quick. Alright. Make image from data. That is what I'm after here. That will do everything I need it to do. Except store image. Don't want it to do that. And store. Okay. So I'm going to make a variant here, which just doesn't do the store. Speed mode. All in the name of getting rid of the flashbang. SAP, no, SG dot image. Return SG image. Missing text equal make image from data. Yes, sir. I'm gonna throw this in the old app state, I reckon. Or just fucking above here, who cares? SG image. Or a pointer to an SG image, probably. Okay. Nope. Just a normal image. Okay, that'll work. Missing text. Okay, alright. Speed mode activate. So we need the width height 2 by 2 and then data. And what is that data? Well, my friend, strap in. U8. Fucking data. Bump 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 boom down down boom boom down down. Raw data. Yes, sir. All right. So pixel 1. 0 0 0 0. All right. You guys ready? We're gonna do a manual pixel thing. Pixel 1. All right. 0 0 0 0. Pixel 2. Completely white. Okay. Pixel 3. The other way around. So we'll have a nice black and white checkerboard. I think you could make it a purple and gray one, but like a purple and black one, you know, like the fucking Gmod kind of vibe. But that's alright. That should do the trick for now. Alright, so that'll give us a missing texture that we can use to basically render in the absence of actual textures while we're starting up. So, fucking, where are we going? Down the frame. Render pass. Alright, so just to confirm that this works, what I want to do is if true, do that. If not, do that. Bonk. Alright, equals to missing text. Yes, that is legitness. Come on, you can do it, buddy. Oh, yeah, look at that. Yeah, that's the money shot right there. Beautiful. This needs to be 255. So we can see our little alpha channel. So get it lined up nice and neat. Beautiful. Yes, sir. That doesn't seem right to me. Like it should be a nice checkerboard, but it's not. What is going on here? I don't know, dude. I don't know. Something strange. Maybe it's gotta be backwards? That one really makes sense. Maybe it does. I don't know. Nah. Oh well, I'm not gonna think too much about it. I don't think. Making this red might be a good idea. Let's see if that does anything. Yeah. Okay. You likey. Yeah, so I don't know exactly what's happening here, honestly. But that's alright, because that's a W in my books. App state dot textures loaded. Yeah, textures loaded, I guess. So we'll go back around to the old init down here, and we're gonna say that we're ready to rock and roll.
still getting flashbang. God fucking damn it. God fucking damn it, dude. Come on. Why am I getting flashbanged? I mean, I'm getting flashbang for a single frame, so it's not that bad. I guess I gotta kind of debug why this is happening. But we should be fine. All right, where is this happening? Update sound. Okay. Yeah. I'm sure I could just change the startup. Because I'm sure that init sound is also just like things are initted. Okay, things are knitted. So in the update sound, gonna if things are knitted, update sound. All right, flashbang is happening for a single frame. So it's less of a flashbang, but it's still a flashbang. So yeah, I gotta work around that somehow. Note, this was an attempt at making the startup time small so we don't get flashbanged. But we're still getting that first white frame. Gotta figure out why. You know, I'm sure there's something we could do. Maybe in the, maybe if Circle has like an init thing. Be like in the SG setup. Yeah, not too sure. Maybe ChatGPT has an answer. $3D11. On startup, I have a single white frame. How do I avoid this for the clear color kicks in? Back buffer has a meaning explicitly clear before the pass present call. This is not facts. It shouldn't be the case. But I guess we'll find out. I mean, I'd have to go dumpster diving through Circle to figure this out. So I'm going to table this issue for now. We made it a bit more bearable instead of completely solving the issue. So that's a win in my books. It's a half W, I would say.
At least it feels like startup time is kind of like faster now, maybe. I don't know. Because like we're not hitting the white frame instantly, so I mean for as long. So it's like given the illusion of the startup being faster, even though it's not. Missing text setup. Yep, so, you know, gonna call this half a W. It'll render the first, it'll present the first frame and do a clear color on tick 0. Yeah. So, you know, maybe there's something we can do about that. But I'm not sure. But now that'll do me. More important things to work on. I'm never gonna come back to this and solve the issue, because it's solved enough for me now where I like don't really care. I can just kind of move on. Made flashbang on startup a bit better. So that'll kind of do me, I guess. Alright, so next up, self-play test to balance content, put version stuff in save game. Yeah, I'm gonna do the version stuff real quick. What do we got? It's almost 8 o'clock. We spent a long time doing that flashbang startup. That's alright. All in the name of clean, concise startups. Yeah. Anyway, I'm going to put this back to normal so I can do a nice little quickie. It just takes kind of long now. Should probably just profile it and make it faster. It's 100% the rect packing because it's like making a really fat image. So, you know, maybe we gotta boof that up, but it's good enough, dude. Like, that's fine, I think. All right. Yeah, so we need to put the version in the game state, preferably right up the top. Or even we just write it separately. It's probably a good idea. Yeah. Nah, I'm gonna put it in the game state. Just so it's easier. Alright, version. This will always remain the same, so we can kind of like half load it up and check. Alright, so how are we gonna actually store the version? Really, we just need like a bunch of U8s, like 3 U8s. It's assuming minor version, like none will go over 255. Which I really don't see any of them going over 255. Like, oh, are we gonna push 255 minor version updates? I don't think so. It's also not like it really matters because we can just tell you what, let's make life easier. Instead of actually trying to pack it, I'm just gonna do this. Or I'm just gonna call it header, actually. Header struct. So minor, what is it? Major, minor, and patch. Really, that's usually what I do. Major version. Let's call that like a U32. Minor version, and then patch version. We could also just make it a string, actually. That's probably an idea. I'd have to pass the string. But it's an idea. What would be more useful? Because if we have a string, yeah, we can mark it up with different things. Like we can put like a demo, like a D on the end for demo and stuff. Or we could just straight up call the version balls. Like have like a dev thing. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I mean, I would say we just do like a fucking version. 32. Maybe 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Yeah, 16 will be enough. I don't really know what else I'm going to put in the header. I think just keep it as the version and call it a day. That's what I'm thinking. Yeah. So now... during init game state, we basically do one of these. gs.version equal version. I don't really know how we're going to copy this string into the U8 thing, but inf dev, yeah, baby. Okay, yeah, so I think I'll just do like a mem copy the raw data of versions. That's the destination, and then the source is also, we get the raw data size of the length of version. That should be it. I expected a string slice, but got a U16. maybe we like... How do I look into this string? So I could slice it maybe? Yeah, I don't know how to fucking convert this into raw data. It's kind of annoying. I just wish I could hit the dot data and call it a day. God damn it. Can I like just type the string then maybe? Okay, that might work. For this, I think I can just go one of these. Alright, that'll work. Cool. Yeah, so length of version. Really, that's all we need. Well, actually, length of version. Yeah, so that'll be how many bytes, I think. Let's hope. Excusez-moi. So that way, if we accidentally go over our 16, we'll get a crash. Yep. Now if we go up to 16, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 should be fine. Yep. 16 should also be fine. But 17, no sorry. Not enough space. Alright, cool. That'll do me. Alright, so yeah, we've got the version in there. We've at least got it in there. Alright, so it's now just a matter of in the future if we want to update stuff we can. I just thought I'd be a good boy and throw that in there before shipping, just so we can you know, maybe update it, who knows. Alright, so all that's left on the to-do list is self-playtest to balance content. I think we'll probably do that tomorrow, because I'm going to head off to bed. Bright and early, we'll dual playtest, and yeah, just fucking crank. Version header dingo. Boop. Push that up. The push for the day. Beautiful. Alright, yeah. So, really, yeah, just gonna self-play test, and then, like, I think tomorrow, probably just... you know, maybe try do a day-night cycle. Or, at the very least, actually, I think day-night can come after. You could just have enemies spawn in. Come out of void. And then, yeah. Click on the enemies to kill them. That's it. It would be a very simple thing, you know, enemies just kind of spawning in every now and then. You'd click on them, and they'd come after your crops and your gold, and that's kind of it. Alright. I'll see you boys tomorrow for the final day. For day 14. Man, that's a fat list. Funky Town.
Yeah, I want to take you to a funky town tomorrow. All right, see you boys. Yeah, I have nothing else to say.